Welcome to Maths Tips and Tricks. Today, I'll show you a trick to multiply any number with 11. So, let's start. Now, let's take some numbers like 63 and 125 to multiply with 11. Let's start. In this step, first we will multiply 6 with 1. Then we will add 6 with 3, which is 9. And then we will multiply 3 with 1. So, the answer will be 693. Now let's see 125. Here we'll multiply 1 with 1 into 1, which is 1. We'll add 2 plus 1, which is 3. We'll add 5 plus 2, which is 7, and 5 into 1, which is 5. So the answer will be 1375. We can see that it is very easy to multiply with 11. Just multiply the first and the last numbers and add the numbers in between. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.